Amity 6. Have a good trip.
Jaws the Ride was a lagoon ride at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. There is a version currently on operation in Japan, but for this video we are specifically discussing the former Orlando version.
Amity 6, repeat that? Stay calm. Try the grenade launcher. Over.
Guests boarded an Amity Boat Tours tour boat in a lagoon that took riders around Amity Harbor, but the tour around the island is so rudely interrupted by the infamous Jaws.
Brody, I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Many people did not realize that there are technically two different versions of the attraction. The first version of the ride opened to the public along with the rest of the park on June 7, 1990. When the park opened, there were many issues with the special effects on the three major attractions: Earthquake, Confrontation, and Jaws. Eventually, all the bugs were worked out with Earthquake and Kong, but Jaws would just never work properly. Many of the special effects in the attraction did not work properly, causing it to be evacuated almost daily. Subsequently, the ride was closed in August of that same year, and Universal sued the company that designed the attraction. In partnership with Totally Fun Company, ITEC Entertainment, Intamin, and Oceaneering International, the ride was redesigned with a new ride system and new effects in two major scenes, first being the removal of the 180-degree spin this boat used to make after Jaws spun onto the side, which was replaced with a gas explosion scene, and the removal of the skipper shooting the grenade into the shark's mouth, which was replaced with the Jaws shark biting onto the underwater wiring and essentially killing itself and emerging from the water next to the boat.
Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck are you? This is Brody. Are you alright?
Once reopened, over the years, Jaws went on to become a fan favorite and made many memories for everyone that rode it that will last forever. It especially owns a special place in the hearts of Universal Orlando annual pass holders.